An object will stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. A tendency of an object to keep doing what it's doing.
See how the ball is not moving? Well, that's the object, and it doesn't move until it gets acted on by another force, which is Landon Henderson when he kicks it. Ready? Go! Yep. So Landon's represented the first law of motion. Now I'm going to show you Newton's second law of motion, which states that force equals mass times acceleration. Let's give you an example. So let's pretend this ball is 100 grams, okay? 100 grams. And the acceleration is 5 newtons. So we're trying to figure out the force, right? And like I said earlier, force equals mass, 100, times acceleration, 5. So we're going to try to figure out how much force is needed to push this into the hoop. Alright? What's the answer? Travis, that's wrong. Alright? It's 500 newtons.
So Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So when a basketball player, like myself, Cade, you suck, is when they use the power from their legs, they use to jump up and release the ball to get to the hoop and make it. So this, when I shoot the ball like that, when my action is when I push down on the ground, and then the reaction is the ground pushing a force up and to the ball to go to the hoop. And that's Newton's third law of motion. First law of okay. First law of motion. Inertia. First law of motion.
Basketball. It is not moving until acted by an other force by Landon Henderson from the Spock. It moved! I hope you enjoyed the production by Advocare. Get Spock! Sorry, I can afford a Ferrari. I'll just dunk it like a boss. Kinda. You know how I made that shot? It's one simple thing. It's called
Spock!
So Newton's third law of motion.
Oh my god!
Oh god. Did you see what they're doing? Oh my god! Love you, Miss Hartman.
I'm not gonna call him Dad.
Brennan, you're 39 years old. I would not expect you to call him Dad.
Well, I'm not going to, ever. Even if there's a fire.